Hello coders. So we are all blessed with some desktop, laptop or computers, and the thing is that over the course of time we install various kinds of softwares, applications in our laptop or desktop, and we just lose track of all the things which we have installed in our computer. So the thing is that how to find out what are the things which you have installed in your computer. So you can, here is a taskbar. This is the taskbar in here. It is having a nice looking search box, a start menu, and then there's something like date and time. Now you can extend this feature using window key pressed by X, window key X. So X for extended, and here you will be having something like task manager, and we are concerned about, so you are having some disk management, device manager, system. So in the here we are having this particular option, run. Alternatively, what you can do is that you can just press window key followed by R, run. The first letter of the word R is run, R. So now you can write appwiz.cpl and then hit enter, and you will be given all of the things which you have installed in your computer, knowingly or unknowingly. So consciously or unconsciously, these are all of the stuffs which I have installed. Now I am not taking any online classes, so I can easily just click on this particular zoom and then click on this particular uninstall option. So that's a pretty handy run command. Now the beauty of the run command is something like this, is that in the Windows computer platform the version changes, but in the background the batch file which it is calling, it doesn't change. So if you have a list of the run commands in the later years when other versions of computer will be, so Windows 11 is the current version which is currently going on, at later point of time some other versions will be just rolled out, but this particular run command, these commands won't change. So in a gist, what it is, window R, just write appwiz, that is application wizard. So you are installing application using some wizard, some interface in which you are clicking next. So application wizard, and you are calling this application wizard from control panel, that is CPL. So that's a short and handy trick for your this particular short video. Happy coding guys, and thank you.